Is email marketing dead or is it relevant nowadays? The quick answer is yes. Each contact information you own, email or phone number, it's yours, and you are able to reach out to that contact via email marketing or even personal reach out. That's why it's so important when you build your awareness channels through social media platform to convert those awareness into contact information. Because the next step after contact information, you are able to convert them to customers. However, it became harder to do email marketing nowadays. Why? There's more competition and there are stricter rules from technical perspective. Nowadays, almost all businesses use email marketing. So people, your customer, your potential customer, receive more email than a few years ago. And number two, inbox providers like Gmail or Yahoo, they made stricter rules putting your emails into inbox. You need to have correct setup from technical perspective to get into people's inbox. Why it's important? You can have the coolest copywriter, you can have the coolest email designers, but if that email lands in spam, who cares? People don't see it. And if they don't see your message, if they don't see your product, if they don't see what you're trying to convince them, it will mean that you will not get the conversion, which will lower your return on investment. That's why it's extremely important to do the email marketing the right way. And in this course, you will learn how to do it the right way from technical perspective in Klaviyo.